Sunset's fading out of view. All that's left is me and you. Barefoot swaying steady flow in this twilight amber glow. Final tune begins to play. Nighty whispers we can't delay. Every step so close to mine.
My pen hits the paper in the dark of my room. The lyrics feel like shadows from a broken tune. Fingers touch the fretboard, feeling so alone. Writing down the notes into my sorrow zone. Heart beats like a metronome, guiding where I go. Strings scream in silence as the melody flows. Each note a confession bleeding from my soul. In every line I write I dig a deeper hole. Beats like a metronome, guiding where I go. Strings scream in silence as the melody flows. Each note a confession, bleeding from my soul. In every line I write, I dig a deeper hole. Let the risk take me beneath the pale moon's eerie glow. We dance where only shadows know. Whispers of our hearts so wild. Two lost souls in the night beguiled. Your eyes are like the midnight sky. We sway as constellations sigh. Our hearts beat in a solemn song, dancing all night long where we belong. In the dark we find our light, guided by the stars so bright. Hold me close and don't let go, dancing all night long in the afterglow. The world fades when you're near. Embrace our love, dispel the fear. Step by step we glide through dreams in this never-ending waltz. It seems like Wake up, the sun is calling. New day, a chance for falling. Up strong, keep moving on. We'll dance until the dawn. Troubles, they come and go. In the wind, let them go. With every step we grow.
亲爱的大陆同胞们，你们好，我是邓丽君。我现在来到金门的广播站，向大陆沿海的同胞们广播。我今天要跟大家说的是，我很高兴的能够站在自由祖国的第一前线金门。我感觉到非常的快乐，非常的幸福。我希望在大陆的同胞也可以跟我们享受到一样的民主跟自由。唯有在自由、民主、富庶的生活环境下，才能拥有实现个人理想的机会。也唯有全体青年都能自由发挥聪明才智，国家的未来才会有充满光明和希望。我希望很快的能够再回到金门，跟金门的弟兄们见面，当然还有跟大陆沿海的同胞们通话。在这里呢，祝大家身体健康，民主万岁！谢谢。
Twilight we find our way, whispers lost in the night ballet. Heartbeats echo this empty hall. In this darkness we never fall. Broken dreams beneath moon's creed. Silent cries in the shadows we feed. Candles flicker like stars in bloom. In your arms there's no room. Dancing all night long in sorrow's embrace. Swirl with ghosts of memories we can't erase. To the rhythm of pain, the beat of our tears. Dance until dawn when the daylight appears. Lost sick souls in the grip of night. Eyes are windows to endless fright. Bodies sway to the songs of regret. In this moment we both forget. Feel the weight of forgotten lies. Every step is a new disguise. Laughing softly in the void we roam, knowing this place is our true home. As the world sleeps we'll find our grace. In the void we leave no trace. Hand in hand till the break of dawn. In this dance our hearts are drawn. Dancing all night long.